So hot. Today I wanted to do a get ready with me, and I apologize if I'm talking like kind of weird. It's because my bracket all the way at the back, my metal one, is like grinding against my mouth and it's killing me. I'm gonna give you a very much needed life update, kind of. I mean, like, not that like anything crazy is happening, but just, you know, an update on life, because I never really do these kind of things. Starting off with makeup. I'm gonna put on some sunscreen. Y'all know I love this thing. For my contacts, if you are wondering, because I always get questions. I'm wearing the Ice Gold 3 Cons by OLENS. Yeah, I'm gonna link the products below if you want to check them out. You don't have to. Just a little bit of that. It's like a moisturizing sunscreen. It's amazing. So BECCA sent me so much makeup to play around with, and I just wanted to try some of their products. I'm gonna try this primer. It apparently gives you like a very glowy, dewy look. Oh my god, the light. I just got done doing an interview on the phone with Billboard Prince. Hopefully, if I am featured, not sure if I am, I will link it for you guys to read if you want. It has to do with like K-pop, all that K-pop stuff you want to know. The tea. Insider news. Just kidding. I like how this is not sticky. It literally feels like a moisturizer. I feel like I just want to do like a cherry look because I have these cherry earrings that I want to wear. Life update time. Oh yeah. Something exciting I wanted to talk to you guys about, like tell you. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror, okay? But wait, so Nikita Dragon, if you watch her, the walking human of the word confidence, she was talking about using orange or peach corrector for like dark bags or dark, like around my nose and mouth is like really discolored. Under my nose is just really dark right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this to try out the whole cancellation. This is actually amazing. Come through. As I was saying, guess what? Yes, finally, I'm moving. Oh yeah. Do the way. Dab. Break it up. Break love. Oh, my arms hurt. Okay, anyways, I'm really excited. Countdown. Now with this foundation. Too late for me. Nikita Dragon was also talking about this Hourglass foundation, so this is too dark for me, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on. It's like really yellow for me. Yeah, I don't even know my own color, guys. And then I'm gonna add this dropper. I love this packaging. Oops, did I break it? See, when you open it, the top comes out and you squeeze it. 2 pumps, and then when you close it, the thing goes back in. So cool. Yeah, it's a little light, but then the other foundation is too dark. So maybe it might just counteract and blend nicely. Why am I so red and hot? Maybe because I was nervous for the interview, but she was like super nice. Go ahead and use your beauty blender, but this girl's gonna use her cushion. Check. Do I look dateable? Ooh, concealer. Okay, I think it's time that I actually start talking. I'm finally moving. Amen. Bless thy soul, thy life. So this year was kind of like the year that I either move or I don't. And honestly, I was waiting for, well, my sister and I, not just myself. My sister was waiting for like an answer for the med school that she wanted to go, which is the university that we both went to. So basically like at home, not at home, but like close to home. Okay, you know what I mean. We were just kind of waiting for an answer, praying that it would work out, and it worked out. So we got the yes, the okay. Well, she got the yes from the 1-year program that will eventually take her straight into med school here. Sure enough, it worked out. So I'm moving. Actually, I still have like 2 months to 3 months. We're still looking for places, but But guys, okay, like, by the way, I love this concealer. It gives you the best finish ever. It's like very mattifying and it just like doesn't crease. Ow! It beamed me. I'm using the Coca-Cola palette from the Face Shop. Huge shout out to BEAUTYTAP. They are a new K-beauty outlet to get, you know, your K-beauty items and makeup, all that jazz in America. And the great thing is that you don't have to pay for like expensive shipping as you would if you were to like, you know, shop directly from sites in Korea. BEAUTYTAP is actually located in LA, I believe. They wanted to send me some products, so I got like red velvet lippies. When you go to Korea and you go to like look in the lash sections, it's always Idole lashes, so everyone uses these. They're very natural, but like they could be dramatic, I guess. Of course, this palette I requested, and they're like super excited to like have me try it. And you guys know how much I love my glitter. I got some glitters too, and I can't wait to try these. They're kind of like the Holic ones that I always use, the red cap like special edition ones. But these, I'm definitely going for this color, and then I'm just gonna infuse some of these colors as well. They have like really pretty shimmers and like some matte colors, but I'm gonna use this and like a lot of these and maybe that, okay, maybe everything. I'm gonna infuse some of those colors with the BECCA palette that I just received as well. I just want to check it out. I'm really into this as a transition color, so I'm gonna like maybe use this and darken it with this. I haven't really looked into apartments. The first apartment I saw when I was like apartment hunting online, oh my gosh, this is the one. I found it. And then you start looking at the other apartments. You have such a high expectation that like nothing matters anymore. Yeah, I'm kind of like at that point. I believe they have a few units open, or I'm hoping they have a couple ones, the one I want left. It's like 2 units out of the 3 that I really like. I just emailed them, and if everything just works out, putting it out in the universe. Probably be moving by August, late August, after all the summer travels. Especially here in Michigan, like you don't find apartments like this. I mean, I don't know about other parts of Michigan, but where I live, there's like nothing. You best believe I'm gonna be vlogging everything just so I can document it. Oh my gosh, this color is so nice. I love how this color can really build. You see, literally haven't used any other color but that red one. Remember how I told you I was like on an interview? I was just talking to the girl. She was asking like, are you like independently stable? I'm actually like financially stable. It's just the reason why I've been at home for so long is because growing up in like an Asian family, it's just like you don't really move out. Like your parents, even though my mom doesn't live here anymore, but even my older brothers, they're like really like, no, you can't move out, that kind of thing. Even though I'm like 24, like come on, come through. It's just like a matter of time, I guess, unless like you ain't about that life. That's Gucci too, but I'm just saying, it's sad. Let me go. I'm just excited because it'll be like my own first place. Well, of course with my sister. We're both gonna live together, and what better roommate to have than your sister yourself, because you can't do anything. My sister and I are like super close. We can annoy each other, we can hate each other, we can love each other. Like I'm not having her pay rent or anything. She's gonna be freeloading off of me. But I'm really proud because like I could be the younger sister who like can feel like an adult. I guess just growing up, I've always been babied by my family, so now I'm just like, yes, I could be the one that y'all can rely on. My sister has way too much to worry about and like take care of. It's literally her dreams happening in front of her eyes, and I want her to 110% worry about that and focus on that and not worry about like bills. I got you. But to be honest, who's really excited to pay rent on their own? I am. For now. Ain't I such a good little sister? I deserve a Grammy or a Billboards award. The month of July, she's super busy. She'll be gone for a month, and then I might be gone for 2 weeks. I'm not sure yet. We have like a lot of plans, like traveling and just like things to do in July. We're hoping and praying that we can go see this place, and then we can move in by August. Oh, why did I stutter? Some of y'all who've already done it, you're probably like, bitch, you think it's fun, but it's stressful. I know it's stressful, but let me be excited. I'm tired of doing basic makeup. The next update, well, I originally wanted to update you guys on it, but then turns out I can't really talk about it yet. Is my forehead too yellow? Leave my forehead alone. My journey is not your journey. I'm so dramatic, oh my god. Originally, I was gonna tell you guys about another, not project, but I'll say like another thing that was supposed to happen. I didn't get confirmation yet, just because we don't know if it's like set in stone yet, so just know that if it does happen, it'll be like a fun summer thing. By the time you're watching this, I'm like at KCON crying and screaming. What else is exciting coming in life? I'm going to Korea. I always say that. I always say that in these videos. In September to October, I'm going. Gonna be fun because you're gonna see some of your favorites again. We're having a reunion, the KJ reunion, which if you don't know is the Korea Choa group, which consists of like Ricky. You guys all love Ricky. Sarah, Mina, and who else? Minyoung and Kelsey. We became so close. A group of friends that just want to see each other constantly. So we're always like, when's the next reunion? And we're like making it happen. We met last year summer. We planned a reunion for December and we all went. And then now our next reunion is September and we all still want to go. And I'm actually staying a little longer. So I go like 2 weeks ahead to just hang out, play around, and like y'all already know how lit it gets when I'm in Korea. And then I do the whole business thing, the talk thing for like 5 days a weekish. And that'll be fun too because I get to meet new creators. It's fun to connect. I'm all about that life. I love everyone and anyone, regardless of your flaws, regardless of your personality, regardless of your past, except the ones who did me dirty. But still, I'm such a sass. I'm staying for an extra week after. Jessica and we like really connected after hanging out and meeting each other. So we're like, yo, let's just hang out and stay because she's gonna be in Asia anyways. We're gonna have a 1 week trip together, just like doing random things, I guess. That's just like the plan for now. I'm not sure if everything's like set in stone yet. I'm literally updating you with like life updates that are still in the way of like either happening or not happening, but still it's a life update, so like it's called life. Also, this week I've been wearing makeup like almost every day and I never do that and it's so weird for me. I'm currently filming the airport fashion video, which is already out if you're... Is it out? I don't know. Ew, foundation on my lips. I look like I had no upper lip. It's okay. I don't know which lash I want to go for. They look good. Whoa, these lashes look brown. Like they have brown and black infused. What? I'm gonna put my lashes off camera because I'm gonna mess it up if I don't. Burp, I totally lied. I did my eyebrows off camera too. Oof. Okay, so Linda, what was I talking about? These lashes are very natural. It's just like kind of weird to me because I never wear like short lashes. Let me just kind of coat it with mascara. I'm gonna take a little bit of this color. I realized my eyebrows always do well in heat. So I've been using my eyebrow pencil to contour my nose and it kind of works. Like this. A button nose. Ooh. 5 highlighters. Wait, no, this is a blush. There's this color. Oof. Ooh. Ow, my nail. I like this. Wow. It's like a golden, peachy tone highlighter. I never wear highlighter. People will be commenting on my photos like, oh, that highlighter be popping. I'll be like, that's my sweat. Okay. Again, I'm gonna check out. Wait, we didn't do eye glitter. How could you not not remind me? I thought you were a true friend. Your true friend. Ooh. Oh yeah. I did buy like a glossy thing. You could put this on your eye and make it all glossy and stuff. But I'm gonna go for this glitter. Oh, this is so pretty. Hearing about all these life crisis issues, people just need to learn how to move on wholeheartedly. I mean, I get it. In order to satisfy themselves, they feel the need to linger, waiting to receive. I feel like I was like that too. I mean, everyone is, to be honest. No need to expect something from other people. You yourself know the truth. If you're able to look at a situation and fully accept the right, the wrong, you know, accept everything, you know, allow that to sink in and just be like, you know what, you can't change what had happened and you're gonna move on with your life. Why wait? Honestly, that was something I had to learn. I'm gonna do blush now. And no tea, no shade, just honesty. Honesty for days. Look at these colors. You forgive and forget and you move on. Regardless if those people know or not, as long as you forgave, I'm gonna take my blush kind of low. Some people actually take the blush really low. So I'm gonna do it too. Life is always moving, and if you're stuck in one position, you will never be happy. And I don't like it when people say they did forgive. No, you didn't. I think you need to forgive truly and wholly and genuinely and wholly. I did forgive you. I did forgive you. Then why are you so salty? We ain't here playing victim, guys. You need to own up to what you did wrong and you need to own up with what you did right. We ain't trying to play this push and pull game either, guys. You either forgive or you don't. I just don't deal with that BS. Like, you can forgive but still be hurt, but still have moved on. You know what I mean? Like, you could still have moved on, but you're not still lingering around that, you know? You're still not seeking for something. If you truly wholly forgive, you just don't care. Yeah, you're still hurt. Of course everyone's gonna be hurt. That's just life. Looks like I got punched in the face everywhere. But it's kind of cute. Blend, 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 or you're gonna look weird. Life happens. Things happen. When you're in front of those people, you make peace with them, right? When you're not in front of that person or those people anymore, you should still keep that peace in your mind. If you made that peace, walk away with that peace. I look sick. I kind of like this. Freckles. By the way, while you're watching this, I'm actually on my K-pop diet. I'm almost done. It's actually day 5 and I'm doing great. I will have that video out for you guys really soon. Can y'all see the freckles? Like, I still have this brush from Kim. So if you guys watch Kim Tai, I love her. We were supposed to hang out the last time I was in LA, but then I had to go to the beach because it was mandatory for my business trip. So I couldn't hang out with her, but hopefully this time I could stop by and just see her. This is actually her brush. When we collabed together, we were doing our makeup and she's like, this is the best bronzer brush. And I was like, really? Is it all? Okay, she's a makeup lover, right? Like, I love makeup, but I love K-pop more. So I think I like used it or tried it. And I was like, oh, it is. And she's like, keep it. We just met. Are you sure? If you don't know who I'm talking about, definitely check out her channel. I'm gonna link it or I'll like card it. Credit card. What is cherry? These two are very cherry. I'm gonna put this one on first, and I really had to focus because I went live the other day and someone was like, the corner of your lips aren't filled, and it really bothers me. And I was like, I know, sorry. I became very aware of it, that it does bother people because I always noticed it, but then I realized, wow, you guys realize too. So usually when I try to make my lips look bigger than they are, I put a lot in the center. I just drag it out. Almost like blending in that Cupid's bow. Blending over. Oh yeah, by the way, I've been listening to Christmas music and it's June. I'm telling you, Christmas is life, and y'all don't believe me when I say it, but it really is life for me at least. The thing with these is that, I think I mentioned it, it's just really hard to blend because they do set really quick. So if you do plan to get these, do it because one, the colors are beautiful. The only thing is that you have to be like really quick-minded. Only professionals use their fingers. I used 3 colors, guys. Now it's time for my hair and outfit. And that is it. That is it for this Get Ready With Me. It was good to catch up with you guys. Please comment down below how you are doing. I love reading your comments. It keeps me company. I kind of like how this makeup turned out, so I'm proud of it. It's different. Yes, the nappy looks. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the Faye Bae Fam Bam. That's about it. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.